Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send files on Element. It's actually quite easy, so let's get started. Now to begin, you want to log in to your Element account. Then you want to open a chat. And this can be a direct message with a friend or a room that you have joined. But for this example, let me use this private message right over here. Now simply open that, and from this page you want to click this icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, this clip icon that says attachment. From here you'll be able to choose a file that you can send. So let's say for example this one, choose open, and then choose upload, wait for it for a bit, and basically that's it. Simple, right? Now you know how to send files on Element in a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!